Yep, riding in the spring blizzard. Yeah, this is what they want people to stop doing is that'll cut through the trees there. Alright, Mother's Day 2020. Cold. Pauline's first ride in winter snow. Sorry, spring snow. It's freezing. Everybody's grumpy. Let's go for a ride. It's snowing now. It's a damn blizzard. Jefferson Forest Mother's Day Spring Blizzard Ride. That's what this is. Right. I don't know where they had it. Somebody's made a new trail that goes up to the left there. So we climbed over this fence last time and walked up there through that thick, like 6, 7, 8 foot high bush. Up, up. That's right, lean against the tree. You know what, nah, go left. That sand is just gonna suck us down. Make Pauline fall down. This is moto access. Keep going straight. We just crossed Sloppy Seconds on Old Farm Road now. Through the pines. It's all swoopy, flowy like this. Last time we rode here was just leaf covered. Looks like there's been lots of riding through here too. Nice flow. Sloppy Seconds. Actually, this is Sloppy Blues. Sloppy Seconds is down on the south side. Oh. Climb, climb, climb. Straight. And then at the end of the straight, you're going to go right. So we just rode up this from the left to the right. Really? You can't feel your hands. Squeeze your handlebar, squeeze your handlebar. Like squeeze and let go, squeeze and let go. We'll get blood down into them. Have a good one. If we go do Moto XC, we could come back up and go do Yo Mama, and that should be good. Moto Axie. Have a good one, just us. Yep, a lot of reason these trails are so clear is all the people walking on them too. No tree, no earth tree. Everybody quiet, working hard. Got to those big old omelets for breakfast. Thank you, two of us. Have a good one. Have a good one. Oh, a ghost. Oh my God. Well, good choice. Which one is that?
I think it's the Vector or
Left 6. Is that 6'9"?
I'm not even sure.
Looks exactly like this one, just a different color. Good choice. Enjoy. Another ghost.
Yeah.
Excellent. Have a good one. Hey, have a good one. Was that another ghost? Have a good one. Have a good one. Everybody's riding ghosts. It's a ghost tribe. I feel a strange draw to go back and ride with them.
Okay, bye.
As I slowly fade away. Yeah. I'm lost. Oh, look at this cool outdoor table right here. Okay, so we're on side piece. Don, your back still good? Pauline, your wrist still good? Alright. Nobody bothers to ask about me. Alright, fine. Nope, too late. Still attached, but too late. Wah. Ambulance. Yes. And just head straight up the uphill, or we go up the riverbed and right or something. Morning, how are you? What's that? Yeah, it's starting to rain, so now is... That's why I have this. A GPS. Tells me exactly where we are. Where's Dawn? Dawn's busy rocking her 1996 Marin, what? Eldridge. While her bike's in the shop. All 18 gears. Kicking ass. Taking names. And a lot of them are from people just walking along the ridge and deciding, oh, I'm just gonna go down here now. Not on a trail. and then one person goes and the other 25 follow. Right here. This is that long downhill that we usually do. There's a whole bunch of trails up inside here on the left that you have to do to get the badge. Wow, look at how much they beat down the Mama trail. That's that trail on the right. Not a leaf, not a nothing on it. Killing that trail. Besides, I want to sit back here and record the mayhem. So this is Yo Mama. Trail is a lot of this. Lots of like rolly flowy. Look at that swamp down there. Mosquito factory. Yep, riding in the spring blizzard. Yeah, this is what they want people to stop doing is. That'll cut through the trees there. People are cutting trails that they shouldn't. Off camber. And then here comes a nice long uphill, so you need your speed. Speed, speed, speed. As much as you can get. Granny. Well done, well done. Nice. This is just a taste of what's to come on the exit. The whole exit is like that, but about 5 times longer. Look at that, look at that. You can ride that here, but white boomerang made you freeze. Big old dead tree. Look out. See, all these trees are numbered. Very odd. Numbered. They have little blue numbers on them. Nope, somebody's painted on numbers. You'll see them again, maybe. Maybe not. I think we passed them. They're all on the other side of these trees here. This is where I got confused last time because I couldn't see. Couldn't find the trail. This will be all off camber. up and around that. Okay, fine. Yeah! I got it. Have a good one. Just us. Alright. Have a good one. That's it. Nice. And this is for everyone. Please, let's not mess up what we have here, okay? Nice. This trail is called Fruity Loops. Alright, oh, there you go. Yep, just like your mama.
Is this it?
This is Gomeshi, yeah. Normally we go out and left over there, down that big hill. We will be coming back to that big hill. Just remember the routes. Normally you just fly off this and land flat. First time we rode this, we rode it backwards. This is the right way, and we had to come up this hill, just switch back. Wow, another big tree down. Remember, back brakes, back brakes, back brakes. And that's about it for the tricky stuff. And that's Gomeshi's gauntlet. Yep, off the back of your bike. Well done. There she goes, all the way down. Right on. Off the back of your bike. Yep. Nice. Nice! It's just a little loop. We haven't done this one in years. That's Gomeshi's gauntlet down there on the right. This is that stupid little side trail somebody's cut. That bypasses most of that hard uphill. Alright, soaking wet. Spring torrential downpour. Spring blizzard. I can barely see my glasses, there's so much water on them. Thank God I brought the bike wash again. Started off dry. My toes are frozen, can't feel my damn toes.